All right, guys. So, like I was saying, it means that when the validation of an uptrend is being broken, you understand? It means that there are higher chances that what the market wants to change the direction from the uptrend to a downtrend, which is exactly what actually happened here. It was never supposed to break this higher low, but it has broken it. So now we assume that, not like assume, yeah, we're sticking to assume, but like we assume now that this was what? This is now a lower what? A lower low. And the next thing after a lower low is what? A lower high. So why can't you just want to buy the market to a point at which you understand what I'm trying to say, guys? So now, so and at the same time, we can see fair value gap here, the same thing as the imbalance, you understand? And the market is definitely going to go there back, at least just the way I explained the other time too as well. That when there are imbalances in the market, it means that a particular institutional order was placed. That is, big men in the market placed money, and that was why there was a huge spike and pressured movement like this. You understand? So these people are going to take their money, and once they take their money, these things are definitely going to go back to where they are before. That's psychology about all these fair value gaps. And either call imbalances or fair value gap, either ways. Anyone that suits you. The same thing, no. Don't let anybody confuse you. Imbalances, fair value gap, they are the same thing. So now I can see it here. So I can say, okay, this was a particular point whereby the imbalance started. So if they take their money, normally it should still come back here. So what we're going to do now is now we're going to buy V75, guys. Instant execution. Instant execution, guys. Buy V75. Buy V75. I know we already have a pending order here. This one is instant execution. Just punch on your buy. Punch on your buy now. Punch on your buy. So for this particular signal, it can even be just this P75 alone that we analyze this night. Because we're already making like 3 signals out of this already. Guys, I'm sorry. Let me check my market, sorry. The one I am in presently. 600. Wow, this is spiked on me, guys. You guys have to make money now. Because both of you guys, I was not really concentrating on this. It'll be my job if you guys make money. Okay, this one's 5 signals. I will know it was not into waste. So, have we punched on the buy? Yes, we punched on the buy. Congratulations. So, our first, for this particular one, this is the signal. Now, for this one, we just enter now. So, let me write the signal. So, we are buying now at CMP, which is current market price of, what's the current market price? 105, 133.65. Our SL, I'll say open, which means I'm still coming back there. Then TP1, don't forget, if you don't know how to do trade stop, use TP1. No. At TP1 will be 106, 173, 69.69. Then our TP2, for those that are gurus when it comes to, not really necessarily gurus, but yeah, you know you are very good when it comes to, not very, very, let me be very, you know you are trying or you are good when it comes to the trade stop. I hope you guys punch it already and you're already in profit. Because for instant execution, you can punch immediately, then you'll be, while the market is doing, you can be modifying. I don't even know how to do that. So for the TP2, we have 108, 013, 0.12. So now this is for this particular signals we are in now. This is for this signal now. Okay, so now this is buy limit, which means the pending order. This is what I like what you guys see.
Yeah, just take it on your right little bit because that
Comment section,
the comments are, yeah, it's better now. Yes.
Okay, let me put this on here. So now, guys, while we are buying again, I'm seeing selling opportunity, guys. I'm seeing selling opportunity. I understand. Because now, what I'm expecting now is, okay, since I said the market wants to continue in a what? The market wants to continue in a downtrend. So definitely after the creation of the lower high, if you want to create lower B, so let us plan ahead for it. Not like plan ahead, we can't plan for the market, but let's just set trap. Not like trap necessarily, but I don't want to confuse when I'm saying trap. Like, I want to do our set. Okay, so let us do our setup down. Yes, that's the right English. Okay, so we feel like this is what the markets will do. We come here, and to those of you now that you've attended the beginner class, what I'm about to do here should shock you guys. It will shock you guys, but all these things is just knowledge. You understand? So, okay, so what I feel like is that the market will come here. Because obviously, like, just the way we explained for the imbalances, these big guys, when they see their profits, they take away they are like investors. When you see your profits, you take your money away from somewhere. It's just like if Umpo invested in A, in sample A. If Umpo should take our profits and our capital away from sample A, maybe sample A is being broke, it was very broke. Then Umpo invested in sample A, and sample A was using Umpo's money to run some businesses. Immediately, Umpo see a little profit, and she collects her profits and capital from sample A. You know what will happen to sample A? If sample A is not wise enough, sample A will go back towards to being broke. So that's how it works. So, the moment Impo gave sample A money, invested with sample A, everybody in the neighborhood will be like, how come? If sample A is someone that does not eat normally, or if sample A is someone that eats like 1 time in a day, sample A will start eating like 3 times in a day. So you that you're around, you'll be like, sample A, Mr. Sample A is already doing well, low. He's eating 3 times in a day. You understand? You observe. So is eating 3 ways in a day is doing well here. Yeah, ne? That's the imbalances here. You understand? So if Celsi should take away our money from sample A, sample A will go broke back. So because Celsi took away our money from sample A, for sample A to go back being broke, it has to go back to the normal price it was before. Are you getting me? You understand? So from there, another person might see sample A, maybe it's Mouse Grace might see sample and be like, and I like how sample A was living when Umpo invested in his life. Oh, Alcy Grace can do a good fund me, and you guys can fund, and this thing can still, you understand? So that's how it works when it comes to about this imbalancing. You understand? So this is what I feel like the market will now do. The market will use this as a new lower high, then again create a what? Create a what was it called? A lower low. And after creating a lower low, it create another lower high, create another lower low. You understand? So that's what I'm expecting. Not like that's what's actually going to happen, but that's what I am expecting according to my analysis. You understand? So now, guys, for those that have done the beginner class, this is what I'm saying. Now, if this should happen, do you know what this looks like? If it should happen like this, do you know what this looks like? This is Quasimodo pattern. We're not to complicate things. I'll say this is head and shoulder pattern. If you are into chart pattern, you will see indirectly we've gotten a what? A head and shoulder. Now you ask me again, what other confluences can I use to judge that this analysis is right? Now, I can say I want to use pure price action. which is the trend line drawing thing. If you read Cecil Mpo book, for those that subscribe very well, you should read something about this day. And I feel like this market can consolidate a lot. Well, let's watch. I see there's a breakout already. That's to retest, guys. And now if I should switch to another, let's switch to 4-hour time frame. Okay, the CRT is not really CRT here very well. Let me switch to 2 hours. Okay. That's really showing very well in 2 hours as well. You can add another position since it's retraced. Add another position. When the market is supposed to buy and it's retracing, it's an opportunity for you to what? To add your buy position. You understand? So this is about this, guys. So, like I'm saying, if I'm expecting something to do like this, so definitely let me give a signal for this two as well. You understand? So now the signal for this one will now be, what will be the signal for this one? Sell limit or buy limit, or sell stop or buy stop. I need someone to win this one too. The market is V75, V75. You can only see this on Deriv. Yeah, please. I need someone that said the first two people that said sell limit. I'll see. Grace is no more here. I'll see, please. The first two people that said sell limit. Let me write their name, please. What will be setting is going to be what? Sell limit. And now this will be the order. Sell limit. The price being 108. 013.1211. SL will be my SL will be 109,500.00. My TP1 will be 106,173. Now the question is, how are you knowing your TP? Guys, I don't think I can explain that because it's kind of like advanced. So for those that are in the advanced or intermediate, you get to understand that. Then TP2. Then let's take our TP2 down to our entry for this buy limit that we're expecting to buy. So our TP2 will be 101,338.39. You can see this one, eh? Let's switch to 30 minutes. Because why is this market not buying, man? Why is it trying to play smart on us, man? Why is it doing that? That's your house, man. But I know what's actually happening. Actually, know what's actually happening. The market, I feel like the market is actually going to consolidate a lot before going because that's to create space for you to be able to mitigate this particular thing. It can't just go directly like that. You understand? It has to shake people off. Yeah, you understand? It has to shake people off because what we are seeing now, the market makers are saying it. Are you getting me, guys? So the thing they can do now is they can take long time before this market moves. So the moment they are taking time, mind you, like we say, trading is psychology, guys. The moment they are taking time, you feel like, this market is in loss. It's taking time, 2 hours now, it's still in loss. You might want to close. It's called shaking off. So they are shaking you off emotionally. When you close, there are other people like you, thousands of people like you out there too that they will close. And after you guys are closed and you feel like, okay, fine, we have number of people that are patient, you now start with that direction. I get him. But don't worry, I know we've not gotten a stop loss for this particular trade. I will drop a stop loss before it. So we have three signals now. One is currently reading in loss, which is the V75 actual punching, right? So what we're going to do now is, or what I normally do is, we'll have to look for a boom and crash signal that can be like edging. That is, when V75 is in loss for now, now I'll be reading blue to counter the loss. You understand? So have we set the three signals? We set it now. All right. So let's try and go to boom and crash. Let me first go and check my market first to see if we end the life or we'll continue with the life. Okay, we'll continue with the life. We'll continue with the life. We'll continue with the life, man. It's still selling, man. It's still selling, man. So I'm actually looking to take profit around this particular place here. Yeah or yeah. Can you see? This is like what we explained at that time too. Let me particularly say, you see let's say this is the uptrend. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. This is higher low. This was a low, the last higher low. Well, you see, okay, this won't count because that one was not looking. But you see what happened here, guys. It's not the market to get to a particular point here and continue buying. It broke the previous higher low. You understand? So now, if you notice what happened in V75, so this is where we are in V75. That I said is going to give us time. You see, in this particular place too, the market was consolidating, trying to shake people off before moving. Exactly what's actually happening in V75 right now, guys. Do you understand now? And most times, sometimes it just can just go immediately. You understand? You can just go immediately. So this is what we're expecting. The buying we are eating in this 25 is this kind of move. And the sell limit we did is this kind of move. You understand? And the buy limits in which we are going to eat is this kind of move that is here. Because the buy limits here. Are you getting me, guys? So this thing is like as easy as not like easy, but I'll still say it's as easy as we are looking at it. You understand, guys? So yeah, you can't take this because it's already late. So let's first check 1,000. So when we see a boom and crash signal, it will be the last listing for the day. I'll call it a night. So boom 500. I'm really not seeing opportunity. Oh, we will not lose opportunity in Jesus' name. Amen. I kind of late for boom 500. But let's see if we can. The market is volatile. And remember what I explained, guys. Use boom and crash is the fastest way to riches in trading, and it's the fastest way to to liquidate your money within 1 second. Hmm. Trading is very late now, guys. It's very late. I'm not going to lie. Trading is very, very late. Let's another pair. 300. I know. I kind of just late for everything. 300, 500, not 500, 900. We've seen 600. That's where I am. 900. Boom, boom, 900. This look kind of promising. Hmm. 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 All right, guys. Let's take some risk. 0.1 is the lowest lot size. Sorry, 0.2 is the lowest lot size. Let me check. Of boom 900. So we want to join this cell so that we can be countering the loss if the estimate is below some 75. So I'm about to place my own now for boom 900. And I'm placing in, I think the lowest lot size is 0.1. 0.2. The lowest lot size is 0.2, guys. So let's use 0.2. I've entered for 0.2. And the less volatile market. So very soon. I sold, guys. So I told you something about these things yesterday. When you are just in and out, in and out, in and out. Trade room and crash like you're rubbing the back. In and out. When you're in profit, you close, you open again. You close, when you're in profit, you open, you understand? But make sure it's a reasonable profit too. You open, you close again. Don't hold boom and crash for long. Don't hold for long. You understand? That's boom 900, guys. So your account will be reading to profits. You understand? So this particular one, our TP should be at this particular one. Our TP will be around 9244. 9224. 924.1969. You understand? So okay, it's spiked already, guys. Finishing. Try to go up, but let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Hey, let me check my own order. So if you enter when I said you enter, it should be in minus 1.69 loss. Understand? But you start feeding to your profits now. I want to add a new position there. So this is my own account, guys, as you can see. I'm in, guys. So boom 900. So let's check another pair. Crash 1000. Come guys, let me close my boom 300. You. My mind is telling me not to close. That's great, right? That's great speaking. Well, I'm going to close.
Let me quickly call him, guys. I believe that you guys were enjoying the session. Any questions?
All right. Oh, you guys are not hearing me. I
questions?
have to quickly close.
Any questions? Any questions? I'm coming. Let me try and call him. I don't know if he went offline.
I'm here.
What happened? I don't know if it's his network or.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
The network is lagging.
Can you hear me now? No, it wasn't lagging. I went to close my boom 300 trade in profit.
Screen is upside down.
What about now?
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Yes, that's perfect. Are you recording this on Zoom?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right, thanks.
So let's just crash 1000. I really want to be on this. Okay. This is crash 1000, guys. Ooh. Let's switch to 1 hour. Let's switch to 2 hours. 4 hours. 8 hours. All right. So, all right. So now I want to advertise a book to you guys. The name of this book is PCR Strategy by Umpo Malifane. Now, the mind-blowing thing about I'm saying this because I'm seeing dark strategy here now. The main reason why I'm saying this is you see all the fourth and fourth I've been doing this morning. High and low. This you don't need it. All what the book is actually going to teach you is when you spot it's a three candlestick strategy. You understand? But the third candlestick is you making it. You are making the third candlestick. The first candlestick and second candlestick is your confirmation that okay, fine. This is PCR. You understand? So now, this is the first candlestick. This is the second candlestick. I won't explain why. And this is the third candlestick that is happening here. But in short, I'm buying. You understand? So, but I will brief you guys. You guys cannot even understand. I'll still brief. I'll kind of just draw it. So if you need better understanding of this PCR is kind of stress-free. I'm not going to lie. It's stress-free because the first thing is just know your candlesticks first. You can read the candlestick Bible to know about your candlestick first. Then get this book, PCR by Umpo Malifane. I don't know who that woman is, but what that woman wrote in that book is very strong. It's very, very strong. And I think I have some people here that can testify to that, ne? So, guys, buy Crash 1000 based on PCR. I like to join that as well. So I might go for a few seconds. I want to go and play straight. I want to play straight too. We are both here to make money. All right. So when you're buying, the first thing is your TP1 is 5-3. This is going to be a long trade. Low, Shen. This is going to be a very long trade. Okay, but no problem. This is crash and boom. And don't forget crash and boom. Trade it like your Robin was the bank. Are you getting me, guys? Good. So your first profit should be 5385. Let me write down one too. You guys know how many signals we've taken today, ne? We'll drop this particular one inside the group. Just this one. This is the only one we'll drop inside the group. Because if you drop everything, I don't know why. Okay. So buying is CMP. You buy now, CMP. Let me buy. Okay, let me first write it for you guys. Finish. So when you guys are stacking yours, this I'll be stacking mine. That's how I love you guys. 5349. We want to be fast. 5349. 5349.67. Then TP1 will be 5384. 5384. TP2 5405. 5405.30. TP3. Let me shoot it up. TP3. TP3 is 543. 543.67. The B75. Hope it's not as if you guys want to go and use big lot size. Bro. I was supposed to tell you guys the lowest lot size for B75 is 0.001. 0.001. Guys, please, I'll go back to B75 chart now. If you use lot size that is higher than that, please delete that order and change the lot size. And I'll go back to 75 back now. You understand? So you guys should do this.
Trader Alex,
I'm listening, ma'am.
the 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 time frame. How long?
Not like this time frame I'm using now is 8 hours. I'm just trying to tell you that it's going to be a long time trade. You understand? It's going to be a long time trade. This crash one is going to be a long time trade. You understand? Now, what interests me about this trade is like we are not going against the trend. We are not going against the trend. We are not going against the trend. Hmm. Hmm. So, do we buy already? Stacking, guys. Stacking. At least in the next 2 hours, this should hit your TP1. So let me go to the V75, guys, now. So you guys can wait. Where is the okay? Let's take it to TP3, guys. Let's take it to TP3. Let's take it to stable 3. The SL. Let's put SL to the lowest lot size. The lowest lot size for crash 1000 is 0.2. Let's put the SL to 5326, guys. 5326. 5326. 5326 point 20. Five fifty by 20. Let's go to based on 5 to see what's happening there. So it's still playing around as we discussed. It's still playing around, guys. Not serious. So now this is a parameter, guys. If your lot size is higher than this, the lot size should, okay, let me see. The lot size used for your fees on 5 now is it should range from here to it should be the lot size. You should be thinking of using. Can you see it? It should be the lot size. That should be the lot size you should be using. So I will try as possible to drop these parameters in the signal room. You understand? Let's call it the night, guys. So if you guys are deleted, so you'll be able to, like, reset it. But so far so good. We've done for we've done like 3. We've done like 5 signals, guys. 5 signals. Let's check boom 900. Let me check from my phone first before I go to the chat. All right. It spiked actually back, but I'm still in profits. I'm in profit because I entered at the beginning where it spiked, so I'm in profits. But it's still going down, guys. It's still going down. Let's call it the night. Watch your profits closing, guys. I don't think I gave SL for the boom 900. Did I? Let me give it now. So call it a night. Okay, put your SL to be 9348. 9348 for this SL 9348.9. Let this be your SL for this particular market. Let this be your SL. Just start selling now. All right, guys. Thank you. God bless you. Have a wonderful night, Grace. I'll see you on Paul. I'll see Grace. Thank you for the opportunity. I really appreciate it. All right, so I want to stack in and add my position for crash 500.
Is it still there?
Usampana nitshayisa mfoni.
I'm saying I want to take what is it called? I want to take my own crash 1000 signal. I didn't place it. I want to place mine now. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm here. Sorry, I just finished placing my order for Crash 1000. All right. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for having me. I really appreciate you. Have a wonderful night's rest, everyone. All right. So we'll try to drop this one, I think, tonight. So you guys can actually like watch it again. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right button, put me back in it. But I'm feeling cold there at the corner, at the naughty corner. How work is
We're not about that more.
take me back a bit. I guess I'm looking for that.
What are you doing there in the note?
I don't believe it, but guys, thank you so much for being part of this life. I truly appreciate you. And I believe you guys have learned a lot and so guys, let's call it a night. Let's call it a night. Let's call it a night.
That's really what I live.
Let's call it a
Yeah,
night.
the time says you just
free.
Abi.
Good
9:27.
night. Tomorrow.
Nice to meet you. Não, actually, no, I'm going to one. No, I take my name.
Tomorrow.
Down, go home, so. Majority.
I found out say you get like I'm following up that guy, but believe French. They say this estate actually. You get the state down. Now that time, I lost the also when it come upload to work on my ọgbọ́n ẹ̀mí ní snap ẹ̀ tó ní wọ́n sọ pé ìṣàmúdọ̀ rẹ̀ ní ìpínlẹ̀
You don't believe no one.
you have to believe
So that's
the
it.
Right? You know, follow believe position.
What's
the
British?
day is awesome.
When I was a bit.
The only guy
That is one of the simplest though. Yes, yes, thank you. At least I'm back. It's fine, you can just leave it here. I want too long. So I don't know, and it's relevant. But anyway, it's fine. We'll still have more sessions, so we'll end, guys. So thank you so much for being part of this live, guys. I appreciate you. Yes, make sure you go through the book as well. Yes, simplest strategies, guys. So let's connect again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, okay? Let's connect again tomorrow, guys, at 8 o'clock, okay? So